specializing in hair transplant and aesthetic medicine since 2005. Klinik Dr Inder is well equipped with a license from the Ministry of Health Malaysia and a professional team led by our founder, Datuk Dr Inder.
Hi everyone, welcome to Klinik Dr Inder. I am Datuk Dr Inder, the CEO and the founder of Klinik Dr Inder.
Klinik Dr Inder offers aesthetic and hair restoration services located in the commercial area of Petaling, Jaya, Selangor. Equipped with the latest technology equipments approved by the United States of America Food and Drug Administration (FDA), we strive to redefine beauty and health trends that are efficient and affordable.
Klinik Dr Inder has won many awards. I'd like to thank everyone who has given us this award to appreciate our hard work from our staff, and thank to our patients, and thank to myself. I was given the award as the Female Entrepreneur of the Year from SOBA, and also Klinik Dr Inder won the Best Aesthetic and the Best Hair Restoration Clinic in Asia Pacific. Thank you everyone for giving us this award.
Klinik Dr Inder has treated many patients all around the world. Whenever a patient walks into our clinic, they have become a part of us. It is our duty to give them the best results that they hoped for in Klinik Dr Inder.